discourage. Disheveled means untidy. Disinclination means unwillingness. Disingenuous means not naive, very cunning, sophisticated, sly, dishonest. Antonym can be straightforward. Disinter means to exhume or dig up, unearth. Disinterested means dispassionate or unprejudiced and impartial, unbiased. Disjointed means disconnected. Disjunction, it is a state of separation. Dislodge means to remove forcibly. Dismantle means to take apart. Dismember means to cut into small parts. Dismiss means to eliminate from consideration or reject. Disparage means to belittle. Disparity means difference, condition of inequality. Disparate means basically different, unrelated, disparate numbers, disparate series. Dispassionate means calm, impartial. Dispatch means speediness, prompt execution, message sent with all due speed. He defeated the enemy with all possible dispatch, that means with promptness. He sent a dispatch to headquarters. Okay. Dispel means to scatter or drive away, cause to vanish, dispelling doubts. Disperse means to scatter. Dispirited means lacking in spirit. Disport means to amuse oneself. Regale means to amuse others. Disputatious means argumentative, fond of arguing. Disquietude means uneasiness or anxiety. Disquisition means a formal systematic inquiry or an explanation of the results of a formal inquiry. Dissection means an analysis. Dissemble means to disguise, pretend and avoid telling the truth. Disseminate means to distribute. Dissent means to disagree. A dissertation is a formal essay. Dissident means a person who disagrees. Dissimulate means to pretend. Simulate also means to pretend. Dissipate means to squander, waste, scatter. Dissolution means disintegration or looseness in morals. Dissonance means discord or lacking in harmony. Dissuade means to discourage or persuade somebody not to do something. Distant means reserved or aloof, cold in manner. His distant greeting made me feel that I was unwelcome there. Distend means to expand. Distill means to purify or refine. Distinction means honor. Distinction also means a contrast or difference. Distort means to twist out of shape. Distract means absent-minded or abstracted. Abstracted, A-B-S-T-R-A-C-T-E-D, abstracted means absent-minded. Distract. Distraught means upset. Diurnal means daily. Nocturnal means at the night. Diva means an operatic singer, prima donna, main thing. Diverse, D-I-V-E-R-S-E, means differing in some characteristics, various. Diversion means act of turning aside or pastime, a diversion. Diversity means variety or dissimilitude. Divest means strip or deprive somebody of his powers or whatever. Divulge means to reveal. Divine means to perceive intuitively, foresee the future, divining. Docile means obedient, easily managed. Docket means a program as for a trial. Docket, he is in the docket means in that enclosure in the courtroom where a trial will start. Doctrinaire means unable to compromise about certain points or very rigid and dogmatic, unyielding. Doctrine means teachings in general. A particular principle is also called a doctrine. Document means provide written evidence. Doddering means very shaky. Doff means to take off. The antonym is don, D-O-N. Dogged means very determined and stubborn and persistent. A doggerel is a poor quality poetry. Dogmatic means opinionated, very arbitrary, doctrinal. Opinionated means stubborn. Doldrums means blues. The economy is in doldrums, listlessness, slack period. Doldrums also means a part of the sea where the water is very calm, near the equator. Dolorous means sorrowful. Dolt means a stupid fellow. Domicile means home. Domineer means to rule over tyrannically. Dawn means to put on. Dormant is sleeping, inactive. Dormer means a window projecting from the roof. Dorsal relating to the back of the animal. Dossier means a file of documents containing information pertaining to a particular subject or a person. Dote means to be excessively fond of someone or show signs of mental decline. Dotage means old age, senility. Doer, D-O-U-R, means sullen. Doer also means stubborn. Douse means to plunge into water or drench. Dowdy means untidy. Downcast means disheartened, sad. Drab means dull, lacking color, cheerless. Draconian means extremely severe, very harsh. Dregs means the sediment or worthless residue, or dregs also means the riffraff of society. Drivel is nonsense or foolishness. Droll means amusing or humorous. Drone means an idle person or a male bee or an unmanned aircraft, or also talking in a monotonous manner. Dross means waste matter, worthless impurities. Drudgery means menial work, lot of tedious, ponderous, laborious tasks. Dubious means questionable or filled with doubt. Some critics of the GRE contend the test is of dubious worth. Ductile means malleable or flexible. Dulcet means sweet sounding. Dumbfound means astonish. Dupe means to cheat, or dupe also taken as a noun is a person who can be easily fooled. A gull, G-U-L-L. Gull as a verb means to cheat. Gull as a noun means a gullible person who can be easily cheated. Duplicity means double dealing, hypocrisy, dishonesty. Duress means forcible restraint, especially unlawful. The hostages were held under duress. Dutiful means respectful, obedient. Dutiful means very respectful and obedient. Dwindle means to shrink or reduce gradually. Dynamic means very energetic, vigorously active. Dyspeptic means suffering from indigestion. And dyspeptic also means in a bad mood or irritable mood. Earthy, E-A-R-T-H-Y. Earthy means unrefined, crude. Ebb means to recede or go back, lessen. Ebullient means showing excitement, overflowing with energy and enthusiasm. Eccentric means irregular, fey, F-E-Y. Odd, whimsical, bizarre, away from the center. Ecclesiastic means pertaining to the church. Eclectic means selective, composed of elements drawn from disparate sources. That means wide-ranging and broad-minded. Eclipse means to darken, extinguish, or surpass. Ecologist is a person concerned with the relationship between living organisms and their environment. Economy is efficiency. Ecstasy means rapture, joy. Eddy means a swirling current of water. Eddy, E-D-D-Y. Big one would be whirlpool. Edict, E-D-I-C-T. Edict means a decree, an official command. Edify means to instruct or correct morally. Eerie means weird. Efface means to wipe out or rub out. Effectual means to able to produce a desired effect, useful and valid. Effeminate means like a female, like a lady, like a woman. Antonym will be virile, V-I-R-I-L-E. Virile means masculine. Effervescence means inner excitement or froth coming due to fermentation. Effete means worn out, exhausted. Efficacy means the power to produce a result. Efficacious means useful. Effigy means a dummy. Effluvium means a noxious discharge or smell. Effrontery means shameless boldness, arrogance. Effusion is a pouring forth. Effusive means pouring forth or gushing. Egoism is excessive interest in one's self and selfishness. Egregious means notorious, conspicuously bad or outrageously bad, flagrant. Egress means the exit, ingress is the entry. Ejaculation means an exclamation. Elaboration means an addition of details or an intricacy or detailed explanation. Elated means overjoyed and in high spirits. Elegy is a poem or song expressing lamentation. Elicit means to draw out by discussion. Elixir is a cure-all or something that is very invigorating. Ellipsis is an omission of words. At the end of a sentence, if you put 3 dots, it is an omission of words. That's called an ellipsis. Elliptical means oval and ambiguous, either purposely or because keywords have been left out. Eloquence means expressiveness, able to express oneself very persuasively. Elucidate means to explain and enlighten. Elucidate means to explain and enlighten. Elusive means evasive, baffling, hard to grasp and difficult to capture. Elysian, relating to paradise, blissful, Elysian shores. Emaciated means very thin and wasted. Emanate means to issue forth, come out of. Emancipate means to liberate or set free. Menumit, M-A-N-U-M-I-T, which means to set free. Embargo is a ban or a moratorium. M-O-R-A-T-O-R-I-U-M. Moratorium means a ban. Embark means to commence or go on board a boat, begin a journey. Embed means to enclose. Embellish means to adorn or ornament, decorate, enhance the beauty. Embezzlement means stealing, misappropriation. Emboss means to produce a design in raised relief, R-E-L-I-E-F. Relief means a 2-dimensional carving. Sculpture is 3-dimensional. Embrace means to hug. Embroider means to decorate with needlework in the border or ornament with it. Embroil means to throw into confusion or involve in a conspiracy or involve in a strife. Entangle. Embryonic means underdeveloped. Emend means to correct. Emending a text means to correct the mistakes. Emendation, correction of errors. Emetic means a substance that causes vomiting, especially when a person has consumed poison. An emetic will be useful. Eminent means high and lofty and popular. Emissary means a messenger. An emollient is something that is soothing and like a balm. Emolument means salary or compensation. Empathy means ability to identify with another's feelings. Put yourself in the other man's shoes and exactly understand the way he is watching the scene. He is feeling. Empirical means based on experience. Emulate means to imitate or rival. Enamored means in love. Encipher means to encode. Enclave means a territory enclosed within an alien land surrounded by hostile forces from all over. Enclave is also an identified area. Encomiastic means praising. Encomium is high praise. Encompass means surround. Encroachment means gradual intrusion into another's territory, a trespassing. Encumber means to burden. Endearment means a fond word or act. Your gifts and endearments cannot make me forget your earlier insolence. Endemic means prevailing among a specific group of people or in a specific area. Endorse means to support or approve. Endue means to provide with some quality. Endow. Enduring means lasting, surviving. Energize means to invigorate. Enervate means to weaken. Enfranchise means to admit to the rights of citizenship, give the voting rights. Engaging means charming or attractive. Engender means to cause or produce. Engross means to occupy fully. Enhance means to increase. An enigma is a puzzle or a mystery. Enigmatic means obscure or puzzling. Enjoin, E-N-J-O-I-N, means to command or order. Enjoin also means to prohibit or forbid. Enmity is ill will or hatred. Ennui, E-N-N-U-I, means boredom. Enormity means massiveness or hugeness. Enrapture means please intensely. The audience is enraptured means they are greatly engrossed and pleased. Ensconce means to settle comfortably in safety. Ensue means to follow. Entail means to require, necessitate or involve. It entails some work on your part, means it necessitates. Enterprising means full of initiative. Enthrall means to capture and enslave. Enthrall also means to captivate greatly. That means intensely please. Entice means to lure and attract. An entity is a being, a real being. Entomology is study of insects, whereas etymology is study of the origin of words. Entrance mean to put under a spell. Entranced. When people are entranced, that means they are greatly charmed. Entreat means to plead. Ask earnestly. Entree. Entree actually means a main course in a dinner. It also means an entrance. Entrepreneur means a business person or a contractor. Enumerate means to make a list of something. Enunciate means to utter or speak very distinctly and clearly, or also means explain. Environs means enclose or surround. Environ exactly means enclose. Environs means the premises. Eon means a long period of time. Epaulet means an ornament worn on the shoulder. Ephemeral means short-lived. Epic is a long heroic poem. A saga, on the other hand, is a long narrative in prose. Epicure is a connoisseur of food and drink. Epigram is a witty saying. Epilogue means a short speech at the conclusion of a drama. Episodic means something that is loosely connected. Epistemologist means a philosopher who studies the nature of knowledge, the origin of knowledge, and the extent of human knowledge. Epitaph means an inscription in memory of a dead person. An epithet is something like a nickname. Epitome means a perfect example or an embodiment of something. Tendulkar is an epitome of the ultimate cricketing champion. Epoch means a period of time. Equable means tranquil, steady, or uniform. Equanimity means calmness of temperament, composure. Equestrian means pertaining to horse riding. Equine means like a horse. Equilibrium means balance. Equinox means a period of equal days and nights. Equipoise means balance, balancing force or equilibrium, not being ruffled or upset. Equitable means fair or impartial. Equity means fairness or justice. Equivocal means ambiguous. Equivocate means to mislead or attempt to conceal the truth. Erode means to wear away gradually. Erotic means pertaining to passionate love. Errant, E-R-R-A-N-T. Errant means wandering. Erratic means odd, unpredictable, or flawed. Erroneous means mistaken or wrong. Erudite means learned or scholarly. Escapade means an adventurous or daring act. It would also mean a prank or a flighty conduct. Eschew smoking means to avoid or give up smoking. Esoteric means arcane or something that is very difficult and hard to understand. Espionage means spying. Espouse means to adopt or take up. Esteem means to respect and value. Estranged husband, that means separated, alienated, or divorced. Ethereal means light and heavenly. Ethnic means related to races. Ethnology means study of humankind. Ethos is the underlying character of a culture. Eugenic means pertaining to the improvement of race. That means the most beautiful women marry the most intelligent men to improve the quality of humankind. Eulogistic means praising. Eulogy means an expression of praise. A euphemism is a mild expression in place of an unpleasant one. Euphony is a sweet sound. Euphoria is a feeling of great joy. Euthanasia means mercy killing. Evanescent means something that is fleeting or temporary and vanishing. Evasive means eluding or not frank. Evince means to show clearly, display. Even-handed means impartial and fair. Evocative means tending to call up emotions and memories. Evoke means to call forth. It is similar to elicit. Ewe is the female sheep. Exacerbate would mean to worsen the condition, or embitter, exacerbate the condition. Exacting means extremely demanding. Exalt means to raise in rank or dignity and greatly praise. Exasperate would means to vex or irritate. Exceptionable means objectionable. Some exceptionable comments were deleted from his speech. That means the comments were objectionable. Therefore, unexceptionable would mean something that is flawless or something with which you cannot raise an objection. Excerpt. An excerpt is a selected passage, written or musical. Exchequer is the treasury. Excise means to cut away or cut out, abscission. Exclaim means to cry out suddenly or loudly. Excoriate means to scold with biting harshness. It also means to strip the skin off. Exculpate means to condone, countenance, or pardon. Execrable means very bad, disgusting. Execrate means curse, express abhorrence for something. Execute means to put into effect or carry out. Exegesis, Exegesis, means an explanation, especially of biblical passages. Exemplary, serving as a perfect model or outstanding. Exemplify means to show by example. Exempt, not subject to a tax or duty or obligation. Exertion means an effort or expenditure of much physical work. Exhilarating means invigorating and refreshing, cheering. Exhort, when you exhort somebody, you are urging earnestly. Exhume means to dig out of the ground. An antonym for exhume would be inter, I-N-T-E-R, which means to bury. Exigency means an urgent situation. Exiguous means shortage, paucity, dearth, D-E-A-R-T-H, or small or minute in amount. Existential, pertaining to a philosophy which means that you are the captain of your own soul. Which means that you can take decisions which will influence your life. An antonym for existentialism would be fatalism or determinism, which means that everything is already preordained or determined by God and humans do not have any free will. Exodus means a diaspora. D-I-A-S-P-O-R-A. Diaspora means a migration of people. Exonerate. When you exonerate somebody, you acquit and exculpate. That means to pardon and condone and countenance. Exorbitant prices are very excessive. A synonym for exorbitant is prohibitive. P-R-O-H-I-B-I-T-I-V-E. Prohibitive prices means very high priced. Gouging and fleecing. When somebody is gouging you, G-O-U-G-I-N-G, or fleecing you, F-L-E-E-C-I-N-G, it means that he is charging very heavily and he is charging prohibitive prices. Exorbitant is excessive. Exorcise would mean to drive out the evil spirits. It is somewhat similar to the word disabuse which we discussed earlier. Exotic means not native, strange, or from a foreign origin. Expansive, outgoing and sociable, broad and extensive, able to increase in size. Expatiate would mean to talk at length. Expatriate means an exile, someone who has withdrawn from his native land willingly and settled abroad. Expedient means suitable, practical, politic, P-O-L-I-T-I-C, and advantageous. Expedite means to speed up or hasten. Expenditure is a payment or expense. Expertise is specialized knowledge. Expiate, E-X-P-I-A-T-E. Expiate means to make amends for a sin. Expletive, E-X-P-L-E-T-I-V-E. An expletive is an interjection or a profane oath. Expletives are uttered by politicians normally to fill up their speech, which are usually meaningless promises or even sometimes abuses. Explicate means to explain or interpret, clarify. Explicit means something that is very clear and definite, outspoken. Exploit means deed or action, particularly a brave one, which is called an exploit. An exploit is a brave deed. His exploits, Alexander's exploits, are recounted in history. Exploit means to make use of, sometimes unjustly. Expository means an explanation. Expostulation would mean a protest or remonstrance. Remonstrate, remonstrance, remonstrance or remonstrate would mean to object strongly to something. Expostulate therefore means to object strongly to something. Exposure means risk. Expropriate means to take possession of, seize, impound or appropriate. Expunge means to cancel or remove. Expurgate means to clean, bowdlerize or remove something offensive from a book. Extent means something that is still in existence. The antonym for extent will be extinct. EXTINCT. Extemporaneous means something that is not planned, impromptu, ad-libbed, ADLIB, and unpremeditated. Extenuate means to weaken or mitigate. Antonym for extenuate would be to incriminate. Extirpate means to uproot or completely wipe out. Extol means to praise greatly. Extort, EXTORT, means wring from or extract money by threats. Extortion rackets are there. Extradition means surrender of a prisoner by one state to another. Extraneous means not essential, irrelevant or superfluous. Extraneous would also mean from an outside source. Extrapolation is a projection using existing knowledge. When you estimate something, that is extrapolation. It amounts to guesswork or conjecture. Extricate means to disentangle, free oneself from a problem. Extrinsic means something that is external. An extrovert is a person interested mostly in external objects. He talks a lot and makes friends easily. An antonym is the introvert, INTROVERT, who is usually very quiet and does not reveal feelings. Extrude means to force or push out. Exuberance means overflowing abundance, joyful enthusiasm, flamboyance and lavishness, lot of energy. Exude means to discharge or give forth. The sandalwood tree exudes a fragrance. Exult, EXULT, means to rejoice. Fabricate is similar to concoct, that means to build or manufacture. Fabricating evidence would means to doctor and fraudulently create. Therefore fabricate would also mean to lie. Facade means the front of a building or a superficial or false appearance of something. Facet, FACET, means a small plane surface of a gem. Facet also would mean a side or a face of a gem. Facetious means joking or lacking seriousness. Facile means something that is easily accomplished. Facile also means ready or fluent. You would describe a charlatan as a facile charlatan. That means a charlatan, as we know, is a quack, QUACK, a person who is pretending to be knowledgeable, or a fake doctor for that matter. Facilitate means to help bring about or make less difficult, or ease, assist. Facsimile means a copy. The abbreviation of facsimile is your fax, FAX, fax machine. Faction means a party, clique or dissension, means a group. Faction fights are called feuds, FEUD. Factious, FACTIOUS, means inclined to form factions, that means causing separations. Factitious, FACTITIOUS, means artificial sham. Factitious tears means artificial tears, which are used by actors. Now factitious has no fact in it. Factitious means artificial. Factotum, FACTOTUM. Factotum means an all-purpose assistant or a handyman. Faculty means a mental or bodily powers. Faculty also means teaching staff. Fallacious means false or misleading. Fallible means likely to err. Infallible means something that will not err or make a mistake. Fallow land is plowed but not yet sowed. That means it is uncultivated land also. Falter means hesitate or likely to make a mistake. Fanaticism means excessive zeal or extreme devotion to a belief or cause. Fancied means imagined or unreal. A fancier means a breeder or dealer of animals. A dog fancier, a horse fancier. Fanciful means whimsical or visionary. Fanfare means call by bugles and trumpets, and a showy display is called a fanfare. Farce is a broad comedy or a mockery of something. Fastidious means a person who is very difficult to please. He is squeamish and bilious. Fatalism means a belief that events are predetermined by God or forces beyond one's control. Fathom means to investigate, comprehend, or measure the distance or the depth of something. Fatuous means foolish, silly, or inane and asinine. Fauna means the animals of a period or region. Fawning means courting favor by cringing and flattering. A sycophant is always fawning. Phase means to disconcert, dismay, and confuse. Feasible is something that is viable and practicable. Febrile means feverish. In his febrile condition, he was not willing to listen to anybody. Fecundity means fertility. Feign means to pretend, sham. Feint, F-E-I-N-T. Feint means a trick, a shift, or a sham attack or a sham blow. In sword fighting, a feint would mean a fighter would lunge in a particular direction and then fool the opponent and suddenly change direction and attack from the other new direction. So feint is a sham attack. Felicitous means apt or suitably expressed. Well chosen comments are felicitous comments. Felicity means happiness or prosperity. It would also mean appropriateness. Fell. A fell blow is a cruel or deadly blow. A fell disease is a deadly disease. Fell as a noun would mean a wasteland or a moorland from where you can get timber, T-I-M-B-E-R, which means wood. Fell can also mean to cut or knock down. Fell down a tree, felling a tree. Felon is a person convicted of a grave crime. Felony means a serious crime. Feral, F-E-R-A-L, means wild. The antonym is domestic. Ferment, F-E-R-M-E-N-T, means agitation or commotion. Ferret, F-E-R-R-E-T. Ferret would means to drive or hunt out something. The CBI was trying to ferret out evidence. That means to drive out or hunt out. Fervent means ardent. Fervid also means ardent. Fervor or fervor, F-E-R-V-O-R, means glowing ardor, intensity of feeling. Fester means something that is rancid, that is rotting and producing irritation or resentment, that is rankling in the mind. A wound that is festering is a rotting wound. Festive means joyous or celebratory. Fete means an honor at a festival. Tendulkar was feted for his performances. That means he was honored for his performances. A fete, the same spelling, would mean a festival. Fetid means something that is malodorous, something that is rotting and stinking. Fetter means a shackle or imprisonment. Manacle, M-A-N-A-C-L-E, or handcuffs. A fiasco is a total failure. A fiat, F-I-A-T, means a command. Fickle means changeable or faithless. Fictitious means imaginary and artificial. Fidelity would mean loyalty. A figment means something that is invented or imaginary thing. Figurative means not literal, metaphorical. That means imagined. They argue at the drop of a hat would mean at the slightest opportunity they would do that. So not merely dropping of a hat. Figurine is a small statue. Filch means to steal. Filial means pertaining to a son or daughter. Filibuster means a political tactic used to block legislation by making lengthy speeches. A synonym is stonewalling, S-T-O-N-E W-A-L-L-I-N-G. Otherwise, it can also be temporizing. T-E-M-P-O-R-I-Z-I-N-G, which means to save time or time-saving tactics. Filigree means a delicate lace-like metal work. Metal work, wires of metal are taken and interlaced, that is called filigree work. Filing means a small particle or particle removed by a file. Finale means the conclusion. The conclusion of an opera or the conclusion of any event would be called a finale. F-I-N-A-L-E. Finesse means to delicate skill. Finicky means very fussy and too particular, fastidious and difficult to please. Finite or finite means limited. Firebrand means hothead or a troublemaker. A firebrand leader is a troublemaker. Fissure is a crevice. Fitful means spasmodic or intermittent or irregular. Flaccid muscles are flabby. The antonym would be wiry, W-I-R-Y. Flag, interest is flagging, would mean drooping or growing feeble. Flagrant means conspicuously bad, outrageously bad or blatant, egregious. An antonym can be inconspicuous or insignificant. Flail means to thresh grain by hand. Flail also means to strike or slap. Flair means talent. He has a flair for something. Flamboyant means ornate or very colorful or dashing in personality. Flaunt means to display ostentatiously. He is flaunting his new car. Flay means to strip off the skin or plunder or beat vigorously. Tendulkar was flaying the bowling attack. Fleck, F-L-E-C-K. Fleck means a spot on the cheeks. Fledgling means an inexperienced person. It would otherwise also mean a bird that is unable to fly, because fledge, F-L-E-D-G-E, means to equip, or fledged means equipped with feathers. Full-fledged pilot would mean a fully experienced pilot. So fledgling means a person who lacks experience. Fleece means the woolen coat of a sheep. Fleece means also to overcharge. When you fleece the sheep, that means you are removing the wool, and the process of removing the wool is called shearing, S-H-E-A-R. Shearing otherwise means a tearing force. Fleece, F-L-E-E-C. Fleece is overcharge, rob or plunder. Flick means a light stroke, as with a whip. Flinch means to hesitate or shrink or cringe and withdraw in fear. Flippant, F-L-I-P-P-A-N-T. Flippant means lacking seriousness. Flippant remarks can cause an argument. Flit means to dart lightly, pass swiftly, bolt and dart, fly, flitting from one room to another. Flow, F-L-O-E. Flow means a mass of floating ice. A big mass of floating ice is called an ice field, I-C-E-F-I-E-L-D. So a flow is much smaller than an ice field. Flora means the plants of a region. Florid means ruddy, reddish or flowery. Flotsam means drifting wreckage. If a ship sinks, you will find flotsam. Flounder means to struggle and thrash about, struggle helplessly or proceed clumsily. Flourish means to grow well or prosper. Flout means to reject or mock, flouting the rules means to violate. Fluctuate means to waver and shift. Fluency means smoothness of speech. Fluke means an unlikely occurrence or a chance occurrence. Fluster means to confuse. A person who is flustered is overwrought, which means nervously excited. Fluted means having vertical parallel grooves. A fluted skirt is worn by a ballet dancer. It is called a tutu. T-U-T-U. Flux means constant change. Series of changes is called a flux. Fodder means provender, P-R-O-V-E-N-D-E-R, which means cattle feed, food for cattle and horses. Foible means a weakness or a slight fault in character. Foil, used as a noun, means a contrast. If you look at the Indian cricket team, Tendulkar is a perfect foil for Dravid, which means Dravid is a very dogged, determined, patient and defensive batsman, and Tendulkar is aggressive. Therefore, he is a perfect foil for Dravid. Foil also means to frustrate or prevent or hinder and defeat. Foil also is a sword, SWORD, used in fencing. Fencing is an Olympic sport, which is sword fighting. Foist, FOIST, means to insert improperly or palm off something. Fob off, FOBOFF. When you foist your old car on someone, that means you have sold off your old car and made the other fellow believe that it's a very good one. Foliage means leaves. Folio therefore means leaf. Foment means to instigate or stir up, fomenting emotions, fomenting religious problems. Foolhardy means very rash. Foppish. This is Barron's Gazette number 4. We are starting from the word foppish. Foppish means a person who is excessively concerned about dressing and his appearance. A synonym for a fop is dandy, DANDY, who is also a person concerned about his dressing. Foray, FORAY. Foray means an incursion or a raid or an attack into enemy territory. Forbearance. Forbearance means patience in the face of calamity. Ford, FORD, means a place where a river is shallow and you can cross it by wading, WADING. WADE, wade means to walk through knee-deep water. Forbears are ancestors. Foreboding means premonition or a hunch, HUNCH, or a gut feeling, GUT, gut feeling, a premonition of evil, foreknowledge of the future. Forensic means pertaining to debating and arguments and cross-examination in a court of law. Foreshadow means betoken or give an indication beforehand. Foresight means ability to see future. Forestall means to prevent or avert, AVERT. Forgo means to give up or do without something. Forlorn means sad and lonely, in a wretched condition. Formality is ceremonious quality. Formidable means something very menacing, very redoubtable. Forsake means to desert or abandon, renounce something. Forswear means to renounce or abandon. Forte means a strong point or special talent. Forthright means a person who is straightforward, direct and frank. Fortitude means bravery and courage. Wherever you find the word fort, F-O-R-T, it has something to do with bravery, courage and patience. Fortuitous is accidental, by chance. Foster means to encourage. Founder means to sink or fail completely. A founder also is a person who establishes something. Fracas means a brawl or a melee, MELEE, which means a free for all. That means everyone is fighting everyone else. There is no order. And synonyms for fracas can be Donnybrook, DONNYBROOK, or a spat, SPAT. Fractious means unruly. Frail means weak. Franchise means right granted by authority, right to vote. Frantic means wild. Fraudulent is cheating and deceitful. Fraught, something is fraught with difficulties, means filled, full of. Fray means a brawl. Frenetic or frantic, both mean the same. Frenzied and wild, nervously overexcited. Frenzied is madly excited. Fresco is a painting, especially on plaster which is still wet. You will find fresco paintings in certain temples and churches. Fret means to be annoyed or vexed or worry over something. Friction means clash in opinion. Frieze, F-R-I-E-Z-E, is an ornamental band on a wall. It is a term from architecture. And friezes are also any ornamental band on furniture, that is on top or at the bottom, any place. That's called a frieze. Frigid means intensely cold. Frigid also means unresponsive. A frigid woman is unresponsive. So the antonym for frigid can be responsive. Fritter means to waste, frittering your money away. Frivolous means lacking in seriousness and self-indulgently carefree. And synonyms can be flippant, F-L-I-P-P-A-N-T, and levity, L-E-V-I-T-Y, which means playfulness, lacking seriousness. Frond, F-R-O-N-D. Frond means a fern leaf. Fern is the is a name of a plant. The leaf is called a frond. Leaf of a palm or banana is also called a frond. Frolicsome. Frolic means to play. Frolicsome means sportive, prankish, gay, and generally romping about.